Hi everyone, welcome back to my garden. I'm Irene, a grade 3 student from Bangalore. Do you know what my favorite fruit in the whole world is? Yes, that's right, strawberries. Today I'm very happy because I could harvest homegrown strawberries from my own terrace. Now let me take you 2 weeks back and show you how we made our DIY planter and planted the strawberries. Daddy got some old wood from the scrap shop for 100 rupees. He cut them into pieces with his tools and then we assembled them together using nails. We made a mix of cocoa peat, compost and soil and filled the box. We added some wood shavings to keep the strawberries clean. And just in 2 weeks, delicious strawberries are ready to harvest. I hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell button so that you don't miss any videos from my garden.